cat, this a SRT. Pull up G-Wax 3, make a 55 suck they teeth. He want him out, you that new body. Man, you niggas can't fuck with me, cause I came from the bottom, from the fence to the chopper. Broke bitches ain't saying a thing, period. I tell her shut the fuck up when I hit it.
Long as you got your eyes, got your trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just on myself to keep playing this record over and over again. Sweat to change.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Aaliyah Janae. So I'm going to start the video off here. It's the night before. As you can see by the title, I'm going on a road trip. I'm going to give y'all a little weekend vlog. So yeah, I just finished getting my hair done. You know, my mama coming clutch. I feel like I look like the red and black version of Shigo. If you know the cartoon, then you know. But yeah, I'm trying to curl it. I'm trying this TikTok hack where you curl your hair with no heat. So I'm using the sock method. Hopefully by the time we leave tomorrow it's curled the way I wanted it to. If not, then I'll just straighten it back. But yeah, so I'm not really doing much. I'm packing my bags. I'm gonna put on YouTube, watch a few videos, edit another video that I made, and yeah, I'm gonna keep y'all updated. If I do anything else tonight, I'm gonna come back and let y'all know. If not, talk to you in the morning.
Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay all day, you'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain, and I don't think you'll ever change your way. Long as you got your eyes, got your trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just on myself to keep playing this record.
Hey y'all, so as y'all know, this is the night before. So yeah, I was just coming on here to tell you the night before because I really don't know what time I'm waking up, as I said before. So if I'm waking up early, I'm gonna try to do a get ready with me. I'm just going on the road. I really like to do so much, but yeah, y'all, I'm not gonna lie, the past few days, like the last week, all I've been thinking about is YouTube. So I've been watching a lot of videos and stuff, taking notes, trying to get ideas for y'all that I think y'all will like. I'm gonna try to start posting more frequently, at least 2 or 3 times this week. So this week y'all will get 2 videos. I'm gonna do a Q&A video. So yeah, I'm gonna ask questions on my Instagram and get some questions for y'all. But yeah, y'all, I've been so stressed though. Like, I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's just trying to get this YouTube stuff started or what. But my birthday is 18 days away. Sorry, brain fart. But yeah, my birthday is 18 days away. And I've been trying to plan stuff, but also not. Like, I had plans to do stuff with my friends. That might not even happen. So I'm going to try to do something. I don't know. I really don't know what to do, y'all. Like, give me something to do. But yeah, so I'm trying to plan something, because you know it's my 17th birthday. I'm a Cancer. Sorry y'all if I'm looking off. I'm on the phone and they just keep looking at me, making me nervous. But anyways, so yeah, I'm trying to plan stuff. I'm over here stressing about what to do for my birthday, because you know, big 17. It's Cancer season, baby. We the best sign out here. What are you talking about? But yeah, I'm just coming to give an update. I'm not really doing anything. I'm finna watch a few more videos, probably take some more notes and get some more ideas of videos I want to do, and then go to sleep, because I have to get up really early in the morning to get on the road. Like, what? I don't know why I'm still up. It's 12 o'clock. I'm gonna show y'all. What? It's finna be 12 o'clock. It's 11:42. 11:42 and I'm still up. Why am I still up? I have no clue. But yeah. So I'm gonna come back to y'all in the morning.
Wake up back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. Don't you on scene? Think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by 1 or 2 times. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold and rain. I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out to life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. Keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time. Don't you on scene? Think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by 1 or 2 times. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold and rain. Who got your eyes? Got you trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child. And then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm gonna tell myself to keep playing this. Wake up back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might mystify.
Y'all, so I'm in the car right now. We just packed all our stuff in and we're currently driving. So yeah, I'm gonna do a little montage of the road and then I'm gonna come back to y'all.
And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. All in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time.
Y'all, my camera died. So I'm on my phone. I'm on my phone. Yeah, I'm on my phone. Cause my camera died. Like, what in the world? Look. You ever see that? Change camera battery. This battery dies so fast. It's like how do you even do that? It dies so fast. So I'm gonna try to go to Best Buy this week. I'm gonna try to go to Best Buy this week. I'm gonna try to go to Best Buy this week and try to get a second battery, because this one battery, using this one battery all day, is not working out at all. It's not working out at all. Cause the camera literally died. Like, this is the first time dying, but like it kept almost dying like 2 times today. So the whole time we're in the car, while I'm getting some footage for y'all. And when I finish with the footage, I take the battery out and put it on the charger, because I can't do nothing with it. Like, it's dying. It's dying. It's dying. But yeah. How was y'all day today? Talk about me. Like, I'm just talking about me, talking about me. How was y'all day today? What is y'all doing for 4th of July? What are y'all plans? Like, y'all should be, I know people go to the pool, having a, what?
What the fuck?
Like, and stuff. But like, what are you doing? What are you doing? How's your mental health going? Like, how are you doing? I just want to know. Because we talk about me. Like, me, my mental health is, I guess. It's cool. It could be better. Hey, y'all, so I'm back. I'm finna show y'all what I got to eat. So I got some ribs and beef. It came with more, but I'm picky, so I don't eat all that. And then I got some waffle fries. And then I had root beer, but I kind of drunk all that. It's cool, though. It's cool. Don't worry about it. Yeah. Hey, y'all. Say hey to my vlog. Vlog say hey to YouTube. But yeah, so we finna go get on zebras. Y'all, look at the zebras. Why are you doing that? They're so cute. Get it together. Get it together. How many tickets I won? My brother won that many. Jazzy won a lot. My brother won a lot too. But I think I got the most. Who y'all think got the most? Let us know who got the most. Let us know. Let's see what they got so far. He got 100 so far. She got 200. Almost 200. She almost got 200 so far.
That's right.
Now, me and my brother, now we gotta do ours. Yeah, let us do ours. Hello? That's the phone. Hello? 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 Where you at? Cashing out my money. Cashing out my big bank.
That's okay, we lost. Oh my God, we fell in love with the love. Show me love, I give you love. Fell in love.
Y'all, so my camera died, but I got the most tickets out of all 4 of us. Now we're just trying to figure out something to get. Y'all, what should I get? What should I get? What should I get? It's so terrible. I want this. Oh, that's 3,000. Didn't it? No, I was talking about the purse.
Let's have some beach, let's have some scenes. Great body, make a scene. She got the penny sound, with no teeth. She got the titty sound, she want the teeth. She tatted up, I see you sing.
Hey YouTube, I just wanted to come on here and show y'all the lines. We're gonna leave, but I want to show y'all. Look at these lines. Yes. But by Kalahari, we're going home. We're not going home, we're going back to the hotel, but yeah, I just wanted to come on here and show y'all, but we finna leave. My feet hurt so bad. Feet hurt. Oh, that hurt. I'm tired. I'm ready to go home. Like, look at them. I'm finna go. Finna get in this room, take my shower, and lay down. I don't think I'm going to sleep. I might download the footage from my camera and then edit the videos. Well, see, that's what I'm trying to do, y'all. Whenever I take a video or something, I edit it after, as I was saying. Bye. As I was saying, y'all, so when I record videos, after I finish recording them, I download it to my phone right then and there, and I start editing. That's how I'm trying to get my videos out faster. But this one's gonna be long. Like, this is only day 1 of the weekend vlog for 4th of July, and I think I already got like 35 minutes. So this video is gonna be long, and y'all better be glad for it. Better be glad for it. So yeah. Have a gonna talk to y'all later after I take a shower and stuff when I get to the hotel. Update y'all, let y'all know what I'm doing. Probably finish edit and go to sleep, but yeah. Alright, y'all. So it's 1:11 in the morning. Everybody's sleeping. I took my shower and stuff. I braided my hair down and wrapped it up. So, you know how I told you I was going to till Sunday? So, tomorrow's Sunday, right? July. No, today. Well, it's today basically, but it's tomorrow. July 3rd. It's supposed to leave today, but they say we can stay till Monday. But we still have to check out. So I think we check it out. And we might, depending if they get another hotel room, we might stay for Monday actually. If not, we're just gonna go do stuff here. Like a few more things, have more fun, and then head back to the town. Yeah. So if we head back to town, then I can do the other videos for y'all quickly. Anyway, so if we go back to town tomorrow, I don't want to, but if we go back to town tomorrow, then I can do this video for Q&A video for y'all, upload it. So I can record the video Monday. I can record the video Monday and edit this stuff Tuesday, maybe Wednesday if I need to. And upload it Thursday. So this video I'm gonna try to have it up by Wednesday and the Q&A Thursday. Yeah, I might do that. And then I might do another video, like a Q&A talk to you, like a Q&A, a month talk to you, I don't know, just something like, I want to do some content out for y'all, but I really don't know which y'all want to see, like, that's why I need y'all to comment down below which y'all want to see, because I'm just throwing stuff out, like, stuff that I would like to play, or like that I think is interesting to me, like, stuff I will watch, that's what I'm trying to post. But I want to post something that I think y'all would like. So comment down below something you would like for me to post. So I can, But yeah. So I'm gonna head to sleep. Yeah. So I'm gonna talk to y'all in the morning. I'm not gonna do this. I'm not gonna do another series in the morning. Like, why are you doing it? So I'll talk to y'all, like, cause I might get up for breakfast, which is literally 6 hours, like, so I might see y'all for 6 hours if I wake up for breakfast. I'm gonna take y'all with me to go eat breakfast, and then I'll come back here and pack my stuff so we can check out. And yeah, just take out along with me for the rest of the day. I might this weekend vlog might actually just be 2 days instead of 3. Good night, my baby. Okay guys, so I'm headed back to the room now. I just finished my breakfast. I need to try and see if anybody else on breakfast, so hold on. I don't know why those lines come when it's dark. There you go. You want breakfast? Huh? No. You wanna go to the pool? I don't know what type of opens. Jazzy.
Finally, we're gone. Couldn't even sleep with you.
You want breakfast? Alright, come on. Go put some cheese on.
What's the good?
Okay, y'all, so I got the kitty treats up. They for to eat. They look a mess. It's so early in the morning, but it's actually not. Like, I feel like I should be doing something to be productive. No. Huh? In their room. Jazzy, over here. I forgot to charge my battery last night. I don't have the card.
Where is it?
Elijah has it. I don't know. Alright, y'all, so I'm back up from my little nap that I had. It's my little fit. Hold on, I'm gonna show you in a bigger mirror, but say goodbye to the hotel room. We're leaving. But yeah, this is me. Hold on. I'm gonna show y'all there. The big mirror. I have my Converses on again. And then my black shredded distress shorts. My plaid shirt. I'm ready to go. My camera bag. And my regular backpack that I take with me. But yeah, jewelry from Walmart and some other places. And James Avery. My rings are in my purse. I need to get it. It's in my bag. But yeah, this is my fit for today. I'm finna check out. So yeah. Hey y'all, so we just got to this wing spot. We finna, well, it's more than a wing spot, but like their specialty is wings, I guess. So we finna eat. This is the restaurant. No, it's hot. And once again, I have black wine. I did not make good choices on this trip at all. Wow! Y'all did not hear that. Y'all did not hear that. Wow! But ooh, it's bright. Y'all, here, you wanna hold it? Yes. Y'all, I know this plan, but I just want to come on here and rate this place we just ate at, right? I'm now eating. Everybody else is still out over there. But okay, so it's this place called Pluckers in Austin, right? So I ordered me some nachos. And why did the nachos come cold, right? So we come back and tell them give me something else. So they gave me wings. The wings are good. I'm eating in the car because, y'all, okay, I don't like birds. That might be funny, but I am scared of birds. So I'm eating in the car. But, so these wings are good, right? I just ate one. The wings are good. And I just ate them. I didn't even eat a fry. They're stale. Pluckers, I rated you with 3 stars out of 5. No. If you're in Houston, Texas, go to Willie's. Hold on. Willie's in Houston, Texas is good. Pluckers, I would never go to you again. But I don't want to copyright it, so I'm gonna talk to you later. Bye. Hey y'all, so we just stopped to get fireworks.
I love the fireworks here. Look at that.
So it says buy one, get 5%.
So we're getting ready for tomorrow. Because tomorrow is 4th of July. And we have a party on Uncle Silver. So yeah, now we're just looking at which fireworks we want to get. Look at the road.
How big the boxes are. How big the boxes are.
She want me to show y'all how big the boxes are. Now look.
Those boxes are big. Imagine if we pop all of those fireworks.
Do you know what you're looking for today? I'm looking for like some of the Roman candles.
Roman candles, we have these Roman candles, $8.90.
Hi.
Hi. You know you started the thing all over, right?
Yeah. Yeah, so I have my Cuban link on.
Like a big sparkler.
I don't know if I showed y'all.
But it's like a,
but
it's like a what's
No.
fountain as well.
All of those are.
and then my name says Aaliyah. Like,
Oh, so that's what it is? Okay.
Cuban link, and then my name, and then yeah, it's still my fit. I never changed
Still gonna have
clothes.
to call you your nickname because I'm gonna give you a nickname.
Okay.
That tank. Oh, so man.
You ever got the ones where, like, when you get them and you just, when you run around just do that?
Wait, post that.
That's the what I'm getting the Roman candles.
I know.
He just went ahead and looked at the camera like, oh no,
That's gonna be my thumbnail. I'm gonna screenshot that.
And I'm not finding the
Make that my thumbnail.
knowing again. It doesn't
But y'all, I don't know. Came to show y'all. I don't know if it's loud. Like, I don't know if y'all hear the wind or the cars passing by. If it is, then oh well. But yeah. So, you know I told y'all we was in the house, right? We came back outside. You wanna know why? This is why. Hold on. Came back outside because of these kids. They said, can y'all come outside? All these kids. Hold on. There's some more over there too. All these kids out here. Cause they wanted us to. And then when it was like, why are y'all dressed up? Blah, blah, blah. I was like, cause we just came back in town. And then they was like, oh, right? So we sitting outside their house. Just talking. Well, not me. I'm just sitting there. My camera died. So I can't, that's why I'm recording on my phone. If the quality's bad, my bad. I hope y'all can hear me. My AirPods is in. Look. But, yeah. Y'all, it's not hot no more. Maybe because I'm in the shade and not in the sun. Y'all probably can't even see it. Y'all know what up. Nosy talking to our neighbors. Alright, y'all, so we back in our house and yeah, it's, like you can barely tell, but like it's getting dark outside. Like it's nighttime. But I'm just in the living room with my brother watching The Arrow. Yeah, that show on Netflix. But this the end for the night. Tomorrow we might be going to the movies, but I know for sure we're going to my uncle's house for 4th of July. So I'm gonna get back with y'all whenever I'm doing something tomorrow. So yeah, bye and good night. Good night. Hey y'all, so I'm back. It's the next day. It's 4th of July. Happy 4th of July. There's the fireworks, but we're currently going to the movie theaters. And yeah, I'm wearing a black dress with my white Converses. They're watching the Minions, but I'm watching the Black Phone. That new movie coming out? Yeah, I'm watching that today. I might have somebody coming too. You ain't hear that from me though. But I'm gonna see y'all when I get there. Hey YouTube.
What did you see in the cloud?
Currently in the movie theater.
Was not what you think.
Oh my days, don't worry about that.
They took him.
Yeah, it's fine. And I don't even think that's him, but I'm gonna text her.
I'm trying to save you. My brother is out here. I don't think they take you. If you don't look at it.
Long as you got your eyes, got your trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm gonna tell myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on the scene. Think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by 1 or 2 times. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain, and I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out to life.
4, 8, 1. Beat it.
Hey YouTube, so they started the fireworks already.
I've opened everybody come here.
The kids finna do something. I don't even know what they're doing. But yeah, look, my uncle finna light up one.
Alright.
Wait a minute, so everybody do this?
But yeah. Y'all,
Everybody come here.
wait.